Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. I am Mohammad Saiful Islam, assistant teacher of Bakshar Islamia Dakil Madrasa, Nator Shodor, Nator. Today I am going to start an English grammar class of class 9-10. In our previous class, we have learned about changing sentence. How can we change an affirmative sentence into negative? We can learn some examples and rules. We have learned some rules. How can we change an affirmative sentence into negative in our previous class? Today, I also discussed and trying to understand you some another rules. How can we change an affirmative sentence into negative? Are you ready, students? Then please take your pen and your exercise book with you and to be ready for the class. Dear students, if the sentence has both dash and, if the sentence has both dash and, then how can we change it from affirmative to negative? Are you feeling nervous? Don't worry, dear students. It's not very tough. If we can see both dash and in the sentence, then we can use not only dash but also. If we can find both dash and in the sentence, then to change it into negative we can use not only dash but also. Look at the students. Affirmative, both Rahim and Karim can do this. Both Rahim and Karim can do this. Look, dear students, in the sentence we can see both and, both as and. Then to change it negative, we can use not only dash but also. Then the sentence is that not only Rahim, then but also Karim, Karim can do this. In affirmative sentence we can see both and in negative we use not only dash but. and we change it into negative. Not only Rohim but also Karim can do this. Another examples, both Savina and Runa can sing well. Dear students, then how can we change it from affirmative into negative? Yes, the negative sentence is that we use not only but. Here the sentence is not only Savina but also Runa can sing well. Affirmative, both Sabina and Runa can sing well, and in negative we can write not only Sabina but also Runa can sing well. Another example, both Rina and Bina can dance well. It's an affirmative sentence, and in negative we can write not only Irina but also Bina can dance well. Both Rina and Bina can dance well is an affirmative sentence, and in negative we can write not only Rina but also Bina can dance well. Understand, dear students? Now we can use another rules. Dear students, another rules. If the sentence has as soon as dash. If the sentence has as soon as dash, then how can we change it from affirmative to negative? Don't worry, dear students. If the sentence has as soon as dash, then we can use no sooner had dash then. If the sentence has as soon as in affirmative sentence, then to change it into negative we can use no sooner had than, no sooner had dash than. Look some examples. Affirmative. As soon as we reached the station, the train left. As soon as we reached the station, the train left. In the sentence, there is as soon as. Then, in negative form, we can write no sooner had we reached the station, then the train left. In the affirmative, as soon as we reached the station, the train left. And in negative, we can write no sooner had we reached the station than the train left. Another examples. As soon as mother cooked rice, as soon as mother cooked rice, we started eating. It's an affirmative sentence. And in negative, we can write no sooner had mother cooked rice then we started eating. Dear students, in this class I discussed some rules of changing sentence from affirmative to negative. I think you all understand. Now for your homework, I give you some home task. You write down the homework on your exercise book. Change homework. homework. Change the sentences into negative. Change the sentences into negative. Number 1. Both Rana and Ronnie can swim. Number 2. As soon as I entered the room, they all stood up. Number 3. Both the horse and the tiger can run fast. Number 4. As soon as the rain stopped, we went out. Number 5. As soon as he arrived home, I met him. Number 6. Both you and he can jump. Dear students, this is your homework. Please write down on your exercise book. Number 1, change the sentences into negative. Number 1, both Rana and Ronnie can swim. Number 2, as soon as I entered the room, they all stood up. Number 3, both the horse and the tiger can run fast. Number 4, as soon as the rain stopped, we went out. Number 5, as soon as he arrived home, I met him. And number 6, both you and he can jump. This is your homework. And dear students, in the period of COVID-19, you should be more careful about your health. You should follow the rules of health. Do not go out from home without emergency need. And if you go out from home, you use the mask. You use more and more hand wash and hand sanitizer. Dear students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.